Biggest couple nights in music of the year. God bless you, Bob.
Thanks.
We are not very professional here at all. Do we have cough buttons?
I don't know.
You ever notice that on other, like, you ever
That doesn't work. Mine doesn't work.
Is that a cough button there?
Yeah, I'm hitting it.
Okay.
Like there's a thing that says cough.
Okay,
but when I hit it,
just
it
make continuous noise. Go like, Yeah, I don't think that's doing
anything.
anything here. I don't know. I don't hear anything.
Nope.
No, it doesn't look like it works.
No. So yeah.
Not like I care. If we ever have to cough or like Bob just sneezed, I always found that weird.
Like that you'd hit a button, like hide it?
Yeah,
like
most radio studios have a cough button in front of every mic. So if you have to cough, you hit the cough button, and it's supposed to
mute
turn your
everything.
mic off real quick so you can cough, and it doesn't who cares?
Can't cough. That's not professional.
I was listening to Mikey and Bob, and the bigger one sneezed. That's it for that show. So weird, man. Radio's so weird.
Never again.